If you've got a Freightliner XC with a solid front axle and it's a 2023 or newer, you may have a unique front axle. So starting with the 2023 model year, Freightliner came out with what they call the VFS front suspension. So this is a solid front axle, but it's not your traditional I-beam. It's actually a fabricated Hendrickson axle with some unique linkage to attach it to the coach. What this means is that most of the standard upgrades for the solid front axle Freightliner XC do not fit this coach. Now, we have been working on some upgrades in the last few years. So one, Safety Plus did come out with a kit to allow the Safety Plus front steering control to be mounted on this coach, which really does help with the steering on it, helps improve the return to center. It provides protection in the event of a front tire blowout as well, so some safety benefit there. But for the suspension, we've not really had anything. So the standard Koni EVO shock for the I-beam Freightliner front suspension does not fit this coach. And of course, the shocks that are made for the independent front suspension also do not fit. We worked with Koni to actually come out with a purpose-built shock for this new VFS front suspension. We're happy to announce that we now have Koni EVO shocks in stock that are made to fit the Freightliner VFS front suspension on the Freightliner XC chassis. So these shocks are going to do a few things for you. The ride quality on the Freightliner VFS front suspension is okay, but it can be a little bit firm. So these new Koni EVO shocks will really help out improve that ride quality. Also, they do provide more control. So again, the handling is also pretty impressive on this Freightliner VFS front suspension, but these Koni EVOs take that to the next level. So they are going to give you both a better ride quality and a better handling experience compared to the factory SAC shocks. So again, these shocks are now in stock, but please don't wait to get yourself a set. Supplies are limited on this first shipment from the Netherlands. So if you are interested, please give us a call, 888-898-3281. Or you can find them on our website at supersteerparts.com. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe. Please also check out our website. We have our new chassis center, which is going to provide information on the Freightliner XC chassis as well as others. We've also got our learning center where you can find helpful blogs and other informational content. Thank you very much, and until next time, we want to wish you safer and happier driving.